Hey everyone, today we are going to be talking about some exciting new features that have been launched in FlutterFlow's FFDC 2023. So let's deep dive. The first exciting feature is in the FlutterFlow's Marketplace. You can now create your own app templates, components, custom codes, and sell them to other FlutterFlow users. So basically, FlutterFlow opens a door for many developers and designers to earn by doing what they love to do. And I think it's the most exciting thing now in FlutterFlow because now you're going to see a lot of cool templates and custom code to use in Flutterflow and build your apps even faster and more beautiful. The second exciting feature is mentioned in the FFDC is branching. This new functionality is designed to make our production process much smoother as we can work on our development branches before testing and finalizing changes and then post them to our main branch for production. This means we can separate our work into smaller and more manageable chunks, making it easier to collaborate and develop new features. The third exciting feature is automated testing. Now we are able to build automated tests within Flutterflow and generate test code. And then we can use the generated test codes in our local development environment to test these features. This feature is designed to make our development process smoother and more efficient. The fourth feature is about the cloud function. We can now design and deploy cloud functions directly within Flutterflow. This feature will save us a lot of time as we can pass parameters and handle responses using data type. The fifth feature is the screenshot generator. With this feature, we can generate screenshots for Play Store and App Store directly within Flutterflow for all the devices we want. The data in the screenshot can also be changed as per user's need. So the last feature is that Flutterflow has launched an iPad app, which is perfect for developers who travel frequently but don't want to bring their laptops everywhere. And that's actually me. I don't like bringing my laptop everywhere. So this app is going to be really helpful for me. And with this, I can build amazing apps anytime, anywhere, and directly push them to the App Store. These features are really amazing. And all of these features will be available on September 19th. So mark your calendar and let us know in the comment which features excite you the most. Thanks for watching and keep building awesome apps.